So guys, this just arrived here now. As I've already told you, and you can see the description, this according to me is the best air purifier. Now I live in India and there is a poor condition of air, and that is why many Indians today are purchasing these air purifiers. So this, as you can see, the MI logo is from Xiaomi, and Xiaomi of course releases many great products, and today we are going to review this as well as unbox it. Now the packaging is actually quite interesting. So right here you can see that this is an air purifier, a complete diagram. So this is the filter and this is the power cord, and we're going to look at it further. So let's open it from here, and that is the air purifier, guys. That is a wonderful air purifier that we are going to unbox. Talking about the features of this air purifier, we have a centralized LED system which will tell us about all of the information that this air purifier is doing. Now, of course, there are the little holes which will let the air pass so that the air can be purified. Now, the main thing is the fan here which will purify the air, and also a reset button. So if I press this for 2 seconds, the air purifier goes off, and this can be also used to control this centralized LED system right here. Now, of this air purifier, you can see that here is a button which will allow you to control some of the features of the display which was ahead, and also this is a laser particle sensor, which is the special feature of this air purifier. So this here is attached sensor, so if dust comes here, then it will automatically detect it and also act accordingly. Now this is the filter box which is there in this purifier. Now this is the only way through which you can see what is inside it. So here is a simple mechanism to open this box. So here you have a button. Now press it. Now just open this. So I would just remove this and keep it there. Now here you can see the wonderful blue filter which is going to purify all the poisonous air around you, and here is the power cord through which we are going to boot up this system. So first of all, let's talk about what this LED does. So as this is an air purifier, it needs to tell us how it is working and if it is working efficiently or not. So the first number which we can see right now is 128. Now this is telling us the amount of pollution in PM unit in the air, and 127 for now is pretty high. So this also tells us the temperature, which is 26 degrees Celsius right now, and the number which is besides that is the amount of humidity in air, which right now is 69%. Now the other A which is being showed here is the current mode. So A means auto mode right now, and auto mode means that according to the dust sensors it will automatically set the speed of the fan to filter your surroundings. And the line which you can see right now is not just only for design, it tells you the amount of pollution. So if your air purifier has a red line, it means that there is a lot of pollution, and if it is yellow, this means it is moderate pollution, and if the line is green, then you are in a safe environment. One start. So guys, now I am on my iPad and I have downloaded the Mi Home app, as you can see right now. So I'm in my home right now, like this is the Mi Home, and I have this Mi Air Purifier added right now. So I added this option and I'm gonna click on this. So there's a password, so I just filled any password, and right now it is connected to the Mi Air Purifier. So right on the top you can see it's written Mi Air Purifier turned on, and right now I can see the 72 AP PM. I can see all the information right now. So right now this shows green light, which means that the air indoors is good. And if I was on a higher pollution, then it would have been red, the whole format. And let's go down. So these are several options. For example, turn off, and I'm gonna turn off, like I'm gonna press this button, then let's see what happens to this. So I pressed turn off, and this air purifier turned off. Now, for example, I am at work and I need the air to be purified by the time I return home. So I just go to the app from anywhere in the world and I click on turn on, and this has been turned on. Now here you can also control the mode which happens here. So right now it is on manual mode, which means you can set it up to any coverage you want. Like I have set it up to 16 to 28 meters square, and I can increase the fan speed now. So you can hear the volume right now. The volume has been increased. Now I can lower it to 14 to 24 meters, and now the fan speed has been reduced. Now I can introduce it into night mode, which means that the volume will be really low, and auto mode, which according to its sensors will work. Now this also shows me the filter capacity, and right now it is 99%, which is a lot. And I can also get to know the estimated lifespan of this, which is 144 days right now. And one more interesting feature is you can schedule your power on and off. So for example, you want your air to be purified while sleeping, but you cannot turn it off in the ideal time. So you just set a schedule here, which you can just do it right now. And I will click on add. Now you can do 2 and 3 things, which are schedule a period, which means that you can set a specific time, and schedule on time, which means you want to have a specific time to make it turned on. Schedule off time means you can turn it off anytime you want. Now I have set it to close on 2:30 a.m. So when I'm sleeping, I want it to be turned off at 2:30 a.m. at night. So I can do that like that. Pause. Start. And looking at the more options, right here I can see notification sound. So if I want a sound from this air purifier, I can enable it, and if I don't want it, I can stop it. So right now if I do anything, for example switch modes, then it will not produce a sound. Now if I press it on, the notification sound, you hear it first hand, and then if you press anything or do it any changing, you can hear the beep. Now one more thing is the light. So if you are getting disturbed with this light at night, you can just turn it off from the app, or also behind the button which is there. And parental controls are also something. If you don't want your kids to alter with the options of this, so what you do is you just turn it on, and now here is lock button. So if I do anything, I won't be able to do it, as there is a locked symbol right here, and I can just disable it right now. Then there is also a very good option for device malfunction alert, which means that whenever this detects on itself through AI that it is not working properly, it will send a notification to this iPad or any device you're working in that case. Now this is the AI enabled smart air purifier connection between which you can get in this purifier. Thank you.